Come test drive the 2019
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, navigation system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.